Hey, it's Tom
and Mike
from Take Time to Travel.
We were thrilled to be able to spend some time exploring the beautiful city of Paris, France, while staying for 7 nights in this charming, bright, and stylishly designed 1850s apartment, which has stunning views from all the windows throughout, and is centrally situated right in the heart of the bustling and fashionable Le Marais neighborhood. In this typical Parisian walk-up building, it's located on what they call the 3rd floor, but we call the 4th floor. Let's head inside and check it out.
As soon as you step into the entryway, you'll notice the original hardwood flooring from the 1850s, which extends throughout the apartment. On the right, we come to the dining room area, which has seating for 4 at the mid-century modern dining table, as well as a nice built-in shelving area with marble-topped cupboards. Across the room, there's 3 sets of large glass double doors with green velvet curtains, which all open to Juliet balconies, letting in lots of natural light all the way through to the living room, which has a large sofa bed and a cozy seating area. Just take a look at this fabulous view from one of the Juliet balconies. Down below, you can see some shops, as well as outdoor seating for one of the many cafes. And of course, you can enjoy the wonderful Parisian architecture with the mansard roofs and all of the chimneys. What a beautiful view! But let's head back inside and check out the rest of the apartment. On the way to the bedroom, you'll notice a gorgeous marble fireplace topped with a gold frame mirror. As you enter the bedroom, there are a couple more double-doored Juliet balconies opposite to the king-size bed, which has lots of built-in storage on either side, as well as indirect lighting above it, which shows off the attractive moldings which continue throughout the apartment. Just imagine waking up every morning to this beautiful view out from the Juliet balcony. Once you get the doors opened and unlocked, not only would you get a nice cross breeze through the apartment, but you would get to enjoy this incredible view overlooking the flowers and boutiques of the Marais neighborhood. I think this may have been one of our favorite parts of the apartment. What a phenomenal view that is. But let's keep going and check out the rest of the place. Across from the bed, there's also a smart TV and an upholstered chair. But we're going to head back across the open concept living room and dining room, back towards the front entryway, where you'll find on the left-hand side a tiny little water closet with houndstooth mosaic tile and a small sink. Across the foyer is the door to the rest of the bathroom, where there's a heated towel rack, a big backlit mirror, and a large floating vanity with lots of counter space, as well as storage space below. To the left, there's a good-sized glassed-in shower, which has black mosaic tile throughout, just like the rest of the bathroom. It also has a rainhead shower and a body wand. On the far end of the bathroom, the wall is covered with a floor-to-ceiling full-length mirror. As you keep going, on the right side of the entryway door, you'll enter into the kitchen, which has this funky wallpaper, a clean modern design, and fully stocked cupboards. There's some small appliances on the counter, as well as a smooth-top stove with oven below. Over to the right is the stainless steel sink, as well as a built-in dishwasher and an integrated fridge-freezer combination, which is a good size for Europe and has our rum and coke supplies.
Below the fridge, there's also a washing machine hidden behind this door. Overall, we really enjoyed our 7-night stay at this stunning apartment, which cost us 2,860 Canadian dollars, or about 2,190 euros, and was in the perfect location to explore Paris.
As always, we really enjoyed making today's video, and we hope you enjoyed watching it too. If you did, we'd really appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on our future videos. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps our channel to grow.
And remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.